Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another weekly recap. Happy New Year and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. So I did do a lot of sewing over the holiday, but I haven't photographed everything, so I'm just going to show you the things that I photographed and the tutorial that I posted this week. And I'm also going to show you one of my new hobbies. So let's get started. So I made Simplicity 8790 and I made View A, the dress, and I made it in a gray jersey knit that I got from Fabric World here in Atlanta. They don't have a website that you can order fabric from. If you're ever in Atlanta or if you live here locally, you can go there. But I have to say you have to have your running shoes on, and I talked about this in a video a long time ago about Fabric World. When you walk in, they have these long tables full of fabric, and fabric is just piled up on the tables. So you have to be patient and you have to want to look through all of that fabric. They do have bolts, so on the walls and the sides you will find the bolts of fabric, and it's really cheap. You can get fabric off the bolt for $1.99, $2.99, $3.99. And on the table, depending on the special that they're having, it may be $1.99 a yard of whatever you find on the table. One time I went in there, just one piece was $2. It wasn't by the yard, so with how many ever pieces you got, they were $2 a piece. And then one other time I went in there, you could fill up a plastic bag. So you could fill up bags as much as you could get in the bags, and each bag was $5. So great sales they have. And they also have upholstery fabric and little accessories and different things like that. They had the large rolls of ribbon, and they were $1 a piece. So you can find some really great things there. And depending on the sale that they having, you could really rack up. So I made the dress out of the gray jersey knit. I really love it. It's really cute and comfortable, and you can wear it with tennis shoes. The only change I made to the dress is there's a drawstring at the waist, and I have a love-hate relationship with drawstrings, so I just put elastic in the waist instead of the drawstring, which worked out great for me. Now, it does have a hood on it, but because I don't really like the hood. I don't like the way it's made, and because I have a short haircut, it just doesn't look right on me. I'll show you the pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. Maybe if I had hair to stick outside of it, it may look a little better. I may like it a little better, but I wasn't really feeling that type of hood. I love a hood, but if it was a different type of hoodie, I probably would like it a little more, or either just wear it as a cowl neck. But other than that, great. I'm still going to wear it. I probably won't wear the hood on my head, but I'm still going to wear the dress. It's very comfortable, and it's something nice that you can run errands in or go shopping in, whatever, have lunch with your girlfriends, whatever you're going to do. Very, very easy sew. I love sewing the dress. And on my Instagram page, at Legionero, it's a separate page from the Legionero B Patterns page. I'll pop it on the screen so you'll see it. Under the highlights, under Sew With Me, I show you step by step how I made the dress. So if you want a tutorial on it, or you want to see how it's made, just go to my Instagram at Legionero and look in the highlights section under Sew With Me, and you can see it there. The next thing is a tutorial that I posted yesterday on the channel for a key fob. I show you how to make this key fob step by step. It's really easy, and they make really great gifts. I made this out of this gray and white cotton cloth fabric that I got from Walmart. It was a fat quarter, so, and you don't even use the whole fat quarter for it. So you need the fabric and the fusible fleece interfacing and the key fob. But I talk about everything you need in the tutorial, and I'll link that below as well. Like I said, these make great gifts. If you have an Etsy shop or a shop on your website, you can make these and sell them. They're so very easy to make. Also, with the Simplicity 8790, I made an Annie pack, and I made it a while ago, And I wore it in some of the pictures for the Simplicity 8790. So I'll pop that picture on the screen. And it's gray and white, and it has the gold hardware. I'm really in love with it. If it's a day where you want to run errands or you want to go shopping or anything like that, you grab an Annie pack. It's hands-free and convenient. Your cell phone keys and a little mini wallet can fit in there, and you'll be hands-free. And you can wear it different ways. You can wear it around your waist, across your back. But that video is here on the channel. I will link that video and the Annie pack pattern in the description below. Okay, so that's all of the sewing. Let's talk about my new hobby. So I discovered the Happy Planner last year. And if you haven't heard of the Happy Planner, I'll link the website in the description box below so you can check it out. So I went and bought a Happy Planner. I'll post a picture of the first one that I bought. I bought it from Hobby Lobby with a 40% off coupon. They're regular $34.99 there, and I paid $21 for it with the coupon. But I gave that planner to my mom, but I'll post a picture so you can see it and see what it looks like. The next planner I got, I walked in Walmart for something different, and I saw the planners, and it's actually the Glam Planner, but it's similar to the Happy Planner, and it's a whole kit. I'll pop the picture on the screen so you can see it. It's a whole kit. It comes with the planner, stickers, pens, highlighters, markers, a stamp pad, a tassel. I don't have the tassel on here, but it comes with a ton of stuff. I think it's 1,700 pieces or something like that. It was $10 at Walmart. Now $10 is probably not the regular price, but I think they were on clearance, or they were trying to get rid of them, or whatever they were doing. They were 2019. I had to make sure they were 2019 and not 2018. But they had several different ones there, and I grabbed this one because it has Carpe Diem on the front. And I got that whole kit. Alright. So the thing with the Happy Planner is you can decorate your planner by using stickers. So that's the reason why I was attracted to it, because I thought if I have fun with the planner, then I'll continue to use it throughout the year. Because usually I'll buy planners, I'll use it for a week, and then I'll throw it in the corner somewhere and forget I even have a planner. So I'm getting together with my sister. We got together in December, the end of December, and we started to put our planners together. So I'm hoping we can do that again with some more people, because she's been using the Happy Planner for a while, and I think my younger sister uses it, and one of my sister's friends. So we're going to have a planner party. I can't wait. But there are different types of planners that I'm seeing now that I'm diving more into it. There's a Miss Maker planner, which I want that one because it's all about crafts and different things like that. There's a fitness one, a faith-based one, another one that I'll show you in a minute, the Memory Keeper one. There are a ton of planners that you can use, but it's really cute and really fun, and it has these spiral rings on it, and you can take things off. So if you want to change your cover, you can take the cover off. It comes off like that, and then you just pop it back. Pop it back on. Alright. So it's just, if you haven't checked out the Happy Planner, definitely check it out. Now this one was gifted to me, and this is the Happy Memory Keeping Planner, but I'm going to use it for the education side of my business. I create online courses, and I have another channel here that I just started the channel, and it's going to be just all education based. So I'll be doing videos like time management, goal setting. I'll be doing some videos on the Microsoft Office suite, networking, professional development, all types of different things I'll be doing on that channel. So I'm going to use this one, even though it's a memory keeping planner. You can customize the planner however you want to with the accessories that you can buy for the Happy Planner, and you can make it into whatever you want. And the dividers for each month, they all have a different saying or quote or picture on it. So I think that's really cool. So let's talk about these accessories. Now, I will say this. If you do decide to jump into the Happy Planner, keep yourself on a budget and don't go overboard. I'm not getting paid for advertising this. I'm just showing you something that I discovered that I like. And it's very popular, so you might already know about it. So one of the accessories I bought is a weekly meal plan to kind of help me keep up with cooking and buying groceries and different things like that, because I'm bad with meal planning. So I'm hoping that this is the grocery list side. I don't know if you can see that, but you have the weekly plan where it's Monday through Friday or Sunday or something like that, and then once you list what you're going to make, then you list the grocery list that you have to buy for whatever you're going to make. So I stick that in between the months, because it has a monthly page and then it has weekly pages after the monthly page. So each week I stick my meal planning in between my week days of my calendar. So I'll show you. So it has the monthly, and then it has the weekly. All right. So each week in the month you have pages that you can fill out. I also got this project/goal planning sheet, and like I said, I'm going to plan out all of my videos that I do for my online courses. I'm going to plan them out using these sheets, and then that will keep me more organized. And I also got these notes page, and I love these because this one says all the things, and it has different colors on the back in here as well. Some of them say get it done, some of them say notes, and some of them say big ideas. So again, really cute, really fun. I also bought some budget sheets to kind of help me with my budget, because I don't budget. Shame on me. That's something that I'm going to start doing as well. I'm going to start budgeting. So I bought some of the budget sheets to put in my planner to help me keep track of that as well. Last but not least, the fun stuff. Alright, so what makes the Happy Planner fun is, of course, the accessories that you can add to it, but also the stickers. These stickers is for the All Glam Planner, but they were at Walmart and they were $1, so I couldn't pass it up. And I bought 3 of them, and I ended up giving one to a friend. But 15 sheets of stickers, and for $1, I was not leaving that at Walmart. And you have to-do lists and goal setting lists and just different things that you can place in your planner to help you plan. Quotes, all kind of stuff. But the rest of them are the Happy Planner stickers. This one a friend bought for me at Michael's. This is the color story. So again, it has to-do lists, all types of different stickers in here that you can use and post on your planner. And just like they have planners that are tailored to your style, your lifestyle, like let's say a fitness planner. If you buy the fitness planner, there are fitness sticker books. So you have the fitness sticker books. And I might do a video showing you the different, flipping through the sticker books so you can actually see what's actually in them, if you're interested in it. If you're interested in it, put it in the comments below and I'll do it. If not, I won't do it. And this one is the Planner Basics. You got stickers for us beginner planners and just basic stickers that will get you started and get you comfortable using the Happy Planner. And this one's dates and holidays. So I bought this because of the numbers, because some of the planners that you buy are undated. So it's just your preference. You can get an undated planner or you can get a dated planner. And the one I grabbed is undated. Newbie mistake. I didn't realize it was undated, but it does come with numbers and the months in it. But I wanted to buy these as well, just to have some fun colors and different things. And these are the faith stickers, so I want to use these in my planner as well. So I'm going to see how I do this year with the planner. If I keep up with it and I do well, next year I want to buy a couple of different planners for different aspects of my life. Like, oops, that's my alarm for my food. But I want a faith-based planner, the fitness planner, and the Miss Maker planner, because I'm a maker. Alright, so that is it. That's what I made this week and the tutorial that I posted this week, and also my new hobby. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next weekly recap.